In this tutorial, we're going to solve this question here, which is asking us to return a list of all Armstrong numbers between 1 and 1000. Now, we're going to do this using a list comprehension. So what we're going to do is we're going to do n for n in range 1 to 1001 as it cuts off the last digit, if some int digit, and we're going to set that to the power of len, pass through string n, for digit in string n, equals n. Now, it's a lot of code, but we'll run it. You can see after running it, it does indeed work. I'll put the formula on screen here now for you guys, and I'll also show the answer, as this is a pretty common question, so there's a lot of solutions online. And lastly, I'll show an example of how we calculate an Armstrong number. Now, you can find all of them between 1 and 1000 in just one line of code. And if we would like, we can also just add a 0 here, and we can do it for 10,000. That'll be all. I hope that helps, and feel free to comment any other method that you have to do this question below.